Welcome to the Collector's Review. In this episode, we are going to be opening LootCrate, the LootAnime Box. So I grabbed some figures to have behind as a display. Those are just a couple anime figures that I have. So let's get to opening this box and see what's in it. Cut this bad boy open. Always remember, please do subscribe. We have the other channels, so please stay in tune. We just dropped the box opening. I unboxed the DragonBall Super Dragon Star Series. I think it's 7 and 8 or 6 and 7. But let's get to the anime box. Woo! Open it up. LootAnime. Oh, right away, off top, you see in the background that I am a Dragon Ball Z fan. And right away, first thing that I see, Dragon Ball Z 2X. So, let me put it to the side, the box, so I can put everything on this. So I'll do the t-shirt last for now. Let's see, first, we got the hat. So that's the hat that came with it. Put that to the side. Then we have in the plastic BPA free a Naruto cup. That's pretty cool. Put that to the side, put that back here. Put the hat over here for now. Put the plastic over there. Then we have a JoJos Bizarre Adventure. I think this is a big old scarf. And you know what this is cool for? This is for anime fans, but also perfect color for the Packers. I am a Packer fan, gotta say that. Sorry, don't hate on me. I know we ain't doing good this year like that, but hey, take what you can get. Alright. This is what came with. A $60 dinner time gift card. Hello Fresh. Okay. I'll put that to the side. Then the LootAnime poster. Looks like it's a poster. Fearless. I don't know if you guys can see the full picture. I'll go from top to bottom real quick. The poster. And this is the back. So then, let me get to the t-shirt real quick, which you guys probably just seen in the picture, but nonetheless, here goes. '30th anime anniversary. 2019 Dragon Ball Z. Shirt is straight. It's alright one, nothing that gonna write home about. All together. This box was a very mediocre box. The shirt was okay. I like the shirt. But really, other than the Dragon Ball Z shirt, which is that's what LootAnime advertises being a big one for Dragon Ball Z. It was an okay shirt. The hat, not a fan of the hat. Not a fan of the hat ever. I don't really watch that one. The Naruto cup, okay cup, but really you can find that at Hot Topic or whatever for pretty cheap. Then this was nothing. And then also the $60 gift card. I guess I'll see if I can use that. But that is that episode. So that was that for the box. So until next time, make sure you guys tune in all the time. We have the different channels. We have the Dial Spot, Comics Now. The Dial Spot and Comics Now, as of this moment, I didn't release anything, but I will be releasing something soon. Really anxious on that because I got stuff to do. Just trying to get the shop together and get everything going. So right now, trying to give you guys the best that I got. Please remember to subscribe and continue to watch. Just keep up, and I'm going to be trying to drop videos as much as possible, man. Constantly. I'll be doing some toy openings, like I said. I already did the toy opening of for the Brawly action figure, the Brawly Build-A-Figure, and I'll also be doing some toy openings, some unboxings on the Dragon Ball Super toys or Dragon Ball Z toys, and showing you guys the differences between the real and the fake. And I'll also be doing that with Nika toys for horror and whatever I can find, man. If there's anything that you guys found or want me to look at and do an unboxing on, just shoot it in the comments, man. Leave a comment below if there's anything that you guys feel you want me to look at different or go about different or anything. So until next time, like always, share, like, and subscribe, man. Peace.